processes that go into build. A lot of people say that, sir.
If we had this done,
We don't have to have sex. I'm going to be setting the deal. I'll be setting a tariff.
maybe the children will have $2 instead of $30. You know. I don't know. I'll think about it. I don't know. I really don't. The group between Pete and Christie and Tom Holman and everybody happens. I mean, look, right now, and I told you before, they're having tremendous difficulty. Maybe the children will have $2 instead of $30. You know. And maybe the $2 will cost a couple of bucks more than they would normally. But we're not talking about something that we have to go out of our way.
The man that won is he's very good. He's a friend of mine. All I'm saying is that a young lady, a 10-year-old girl, 9-year-old girl, a 15-year-old girl doesn't need $37. She can be very happy with 2 or 3 or 4 or 5.
Maybe the children will have $2 instead of $30.